Yes. So we have the M7 and M7 Pro, the Accsoon's latest monitor product. It is first time like demoed in Europe. We have here. You can see we basically every camera and every rig has the monitor setup. This monitor is very color accurate because every monitor is factory calibrated before it's shipped. So to make sure that it has the most accurate color to match your workflow. So that is the first thing about the monitor. And second, it will be running an Android OS. So you can download different apps. That is the first thing about having the Android OS. The second is that like that it has very responsive touch focus, or you can quick swipe or tap or multi-tap selection on the monitor itself. And thirdly, it will be also very easy to update because it's basically like updating an app on your smart devices. Before like after the launch of the monitor, we have been going through like many updates already, like to update with a different selected Sony and Canon monitor like camera controls. We will also have the wireless transmitter function updated very soon this month, and yeah, so that is very easy to do, and we are constantly updating the system to make it even better in the future. Uh, Very soon, we'll also have the ability to download different. You can do it now, but the ability to download third-party apps like from Sony, their own camera monitor and control apps. That is also doable. What else? What else do we have? So many things. Um, Also, internal recordings or quick playback is a very multi-functional monitor, and we hope that in the future it can be like a future-proof workstation for everyone on set, not only the director but also gaffers or first ACs, everyone on set, and can have a little bit of the functions built for them. Camera control has the this is the touch focus. So the touch focus is pretty responsive as well. You can see like all the quick that, and then we have also the different shutter speed. You can do like the ISO or aperture, white balance, all doable on the monitor itself. You can also do record triggering. So once you open that, you can do like record from the camera. It's bi-directional, so you can record here and simultaneously on the camera, or you can record on the camera and simultaneously here. We have all the monitoring functions, recording functions as well. Like you can record H.265 or H.264. You can record into the internal storage. But once you plug in like a SD card or a USB drive or SSD, you can record into the external storage as well. Live streaming is also doable because this is running Android. You can connect to the internet. And the other thing is that you can work like a video converter, meaning if you input say 1080p, you can upscale to 4K output. If you plug in 24 frame rate, you can also upgrade to 60 frame rate output as well. So that is like a very quick converting because the internal processor is running very like under high capacity that you can do all the switching or SDI in, HDMI output, HDMI cross convert is also doable. Yeah, all the monitoring features.
Like, can you show the separate app?
So separate app you can find because it's Android, like basically all the control is like using smart devices. We don't have any other mobile. Ideally, like you can plug in. Uh, Once you have their APK file, you can install them in here so that you can enjoy different kind of apps. Say we have this calibrator, uh, calculator, so you can do all the stuff. But I don't know if this is needed, but we just have it here to demo that you can do that with third-party apps, and also like very quick playback because it's running Android. You can do all the multi-selection, like say this one, or maybe I can find some like pictures. You can do all the selecting stuff, and then you can sort. So basically, using this, like using your phone or anything, that is why we have it here.